Hello, I'm Flora. Today we have Zeapon Micro 2 E800 Motorized camera slider for review. The Zeapon Micro 2 E800 Motorized camera slider is a very smooth and high-quality camera slider with high precision, where it is multi-directional with a carrying capacity of 8 kilograms. Motorized Micro 2 E800 is powered by high-torque step motor with minimum noise of 39 decibels only. With it, you can focus entirely on shooting and editing and enjoy the peaceful moment of creation. 3 support arms that comes in the box can form a 4-point structure with the tripod. Even with a running distance of 1 meter, you only need one tripod for more stability in motion, no tilting or turning. Zeapon Micro 2 600-800 inherits the double distance design while significantly shortens the slider length for greater portability and effectively avoids the slider getting in the way of your footage. You can not only use direction buttons to manually position the slider, but can also use Zeapon Lab app to intelligently set the waypoints and motion track for smooth cinematic footage. Adjust support legs to a parallel angle with landing wheels. The slider can achieve linear movements at all directions. Adjust support legs to any angle with landing wheels. The slider can move quickly. You can set customized motion path and waypoints via the app, or use the direction buttons on the motor to position manually. Create desired motion has never been easier. Zeapon app intelligently makes the calculation of various time-lapse parameters, including the time-lapse duration, the number of photos, and the video length based on user present and motion path, and speed, helping you to get the most precise motion and fingertips. Zeapon takes care of users of all levels by designing a high-integrated control panel on its slider model with 3 intuitive indicators and control keys. You can see battery life clearly at the clicks and switch between different speeds in a split second. With Micro 2 and Zeapon app, everyone can be a time-lapse photographer. At the app, you can have 8 preset time-lapse parameters. You can have a night lapse, cloud, sunset, water flow, miniature, plants, and city lapse. Camera control slider connected with the wireless synchronizer and the app. The slider will perform precise motion following the camera's waveform settings. The rail band is designed with tension screws on its ends. User can loosen or tighten the screw to adapt the slider to different shooting environments to best prolong the lifetime of the product. Support PD Type-C charging and firmware update. Use high-strength height modules carbon fiber materials imported from Japan with a carbon content of more than 95%, resulting in extremely light, incredibly strong, and exceedingly tough. The motion path and waypoints can be easily set in the app with one step. In a single tap, you can put the whole camera system in the loop between set waypoints. The motorized slider is designed with a power-off protection mechanism which prevents your device from damaging in case of power outage. In any emergency, the slider will automatically lock up your camera and make sure it's secured nice and thin. Micro 2 introduces a buffer design technology in its circuit system to ease in out the motion smoothly and quickly when getting powered on and off, which will eliminate the possible shakes you may encounter during shooting. The motor can be powered with batteries from the Sony NB series F315, F750 and F970. Once set in the app, Micro 2 can work automatically following the motion path even with the app off, saving a lot of time and energy during operation. So, if you want a professional motorized slider with a very good build quality and very high engineering with unique design, you must buy the Zeapon Micro 2 E800 Motorized camera slider. I think that the best slider is the one that you always carry with you, and with carrying case the Zeapon Micro 2 E800 is always with you. Thank you for watching. If you like today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!